you okay? Oh no. Ah.
What's up guys, it's Jonathan with the company Junk Quest. It's bright and early. We're doing a house clean out over here in Wylie. And look what we have here. Little known fact for you guys. Willie used to be the lead violinist at his high school. Let's check this house out. Let's get Willie. Hi. We got Kitty on the job.
Make sure we don't let her out.
Oh.
Hey. Now.
I got a red. What's on?
How are you gonna go back up there?
My bed.
Kitty!
My bed.
I'm sorry, man. Take your bed.
Did you hear that? Good thing you had your headphones on.
I heard it.
Here, we'll get you a cover till we're done.
Alright, let's go.
Here, Kitty.
Good? Yeah.
Three guys, one fridge. It's not his fault, guys.
Bro, there's a big dent in the ground. It fell this way.
He was born a little bit disabled and...
What the hell? Did you get on camera?
Huh? I pull it back that way.
60, right? Huh?
Alright guys, ended up finishing up. It was about a load and a half or so. So we had to come back and pick some more stuff up. But if you're in the Wylie area or nearby, if you need a house cleaned out or any type of similar service, give us a call. You can also text us 469-996-1696. If you want the best, call Drunk Quest.